Right now, somewhere in your industry, a decision is being made that will never be announced. No press release, no headline, just a quiet line in a spreadsheet. Role no longer needed. And the reason isn't a recession. It's not your performance. It's something most workers won't discover until it's already too late to prepare for. You've been told the plan your whole life: get the degree, get the job, climb the ladder. It worked for the generation before you. But here's what nobody is telling you. The bottom rungs of that ladder are quietly disappearing. Picture a hiring manager scrolling through hundreds of applications. Except she's not the one reading them. A piece of software is deciding in seconds who's worth a human's time and who gets silently filtered out. You never see it happen. You just wait for a reply that never comes. That's not a hypothetical. That's the front door to the job market for millions of people right now. But that's not the most surprising part. For years, the fear was that AI would take the simple jobs: data entry, basic customer service. The kind of work people assumed was safe from automation was anything requiring a degree. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Those are exactly the jobs disappearing fastest. Think about the analyst who used to spend a week building a report. Now a model builds a draft in minutes, and one senior employee polishes it. That's not one person losing a job. That's 4 future analysts who now never get hired to learn the craft in the first place. The ladder isn't just missing a few rungs. The bottom is being sawed off entirely, while the people at the top still climb just fine. And that's where the real problem hides. Ask yourself, why would a company announce, "We replaced 40% of our entry-level team with software"? They wouldn't. It's a PR disaster. So instead, you hear softer words. Restructuring, efficiency, doing more with less. Translation, fewer humans, same output, higher margins. This is where everything falls apart for the old advice. Just get a degree, any degree, you'll be fine. That promise was built for a job market that no longer exists in the same shape. It's not that hard work stopped mattering. It's that the entry point hard work used to buy you is vanishing, quietly, deal by deal, quarter by quarter. But here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Not the smartest people, not the most credentialed people. The ones who survive this shift are the ones who stop treating AI like a threat and start treating it like a crowbar, a tool that pries open leverage most people don't know they have yet. Picture 2 employees doing the exact same job. One refuses to touch the new tools, insists on doing everything the old way, quietly resents the change. The other learns to direct the tool, using it to do in an hour what used to take a day. 6 months from now, only one of them is still on that team. It's rarely the more talented one. It's the one who adapted first. That's the uncomfortable truth hiding inside all of this. This isn't really a story about AI replacing humans. It's a story about which humans learn to work with the shift before the shift decides for them. Every major technological leap in history displaced workers first and rebuilt industries second. The printing press, the tractor, the assembly line. Each one looked like an ending before it became a beginning. The difference this time isn't the technology, it's the silence around it. An entire generation is stepping into a job market being quietly rebuilt in boardrooms, and almost no one is being honest with them about it while it's happening. That silence is the real thing worth being angry about. Not the tool, the lack of a warning. So no, this isn't a video meant to make you panic. Panic doesn't get you hired, preparation does. The people who come out ahead of this shift aren't the ones who ignored it, and they aren't the ones who feared it. They're the ones who saw it early enough to move. You just did. Have you already seen this happening in your own industry? A hiring freeze, a restructuring, a job that quietly disappeared. Tell me what you've noticed. I read every comment, and the patterns you're seeing across different industries are exactly what I want to dig into next. Subscribe to Human Veil if you want to actually understand the systems shaping your future before they show up in a headline. The job market, the economy, the quiet decisions being made about people your age. That's exactly what this channel breaks down. Subscribe, and you'll never be the last to know.